Hi everyone, I'm here today to talk to you about how to change your element in your stove. This is for all the single ladies that think maybe you can't do something like this, but you can because it's really easy and I'm going to show you how. First of all, you want to make sure your oven is off. It's obvious. And my particular stove is a GE model, and if you want to know where your model number is, just open up your bottom drawer and it's right here on the left hand inside there. So you can look at that. And you can order it online. I'm going to put all the links in the video to my website, my Facebook page, and my YouTube channel, and where I bought it and all those things. So first we'll get the stove open. The stove is disgusting and needs to be cleaned really bad. I could tell right away that this was broken. It was actually a little bump was here, and you barely touched it, and it broke. So I could tell something was wrong in that particular spot, but you might have to feel around, look around when your oven's cool and see if you can identify the problem. Okay, so now I'm going to pull this out, which is pretty easy. And I'm going to be taking the back panel off. Grab my nut driver again. I'm going to get to the power.
Okay.
So now I'll push the stove back in?
You're fine.
Okay. So before I get messing with any of the nuts and removing them, I need to do the power. We wouldn't want to have any accidents, so just give that a good heave-ho. It might be kind of hard, but you can do it. There we go. All right, and now I've already removed 4 screws for you. The screws are in place here, 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 and at the bottom. So I've taken 4 out, and I'm just going to take this one off now. Once you get a couple turns, you can do it with your fingers, and then you'll notice these little wheels here. We're just going to slide it out and set that off to the side for a minute. Put that all my screws in one place. Okay, so then down here, so now that we have the back panel off, we're going to be removing, you'll see the wiring comes down into these 2 gadgets here. Now this is the element inside where it's attached, and I'm just going to hold that firmly with my finger, grab this, and it's going to come off and look like that. Okay, same thing on this side. That one came out pretty easy. Okay, so now now we know it's not attached, so when we push this back, I go around, take the element out, it's going to come out quite easily. Okay, there's 2 little nuts if you look in the back here, and you can remove those if you have a wrench, a socket wrench, a crescent wrench, or you can use a nut driver. This is a nut driver here. If you have one of these little cheap screwdrivers in your house, you just take that off, and that little bit right there is a nut driver. So we're going to go ahead and take those off right now. Really good. Just try to do little things like this yourself if you're a single person, and put that somewhere where it isn't going to fall and roll away. The best spot to keep it is actually just in your oven right there, so it doesn't go flying somewhere. It's just a second and maneuver them out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is pull this out. Again, keeping in mind that I have to lift up on this one because this is, just feel it. You can feel what you're doing and see how it's angled. So we've taken that one out. And we are going to take our new one. Okay, so now that we've pushed that new element in place, we need to pull the stove out again, oven out again, and get in behind. And hook it back up, just like this. Again, make sure that's secured in there all the way on both sides. Sure it's on nice and good. Okay, that's nice and good. And then we'll put on our back. we'll secure all of our 5 screws and we'll plug it back in, push the stove back in, and you should be good to go. And then test everything before you put pizza in and it doesn't cook like happened to me. Okay, have a nice day. Bye.